Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. Titingnan natin ang energies ng inyong love life ngayong June 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. Thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Follow, like na rin ating Facebook, TikTok, lahat po yan, Mystic Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong 3rd anniversary promo, 25% discount sa mga tarot reading services extended hanggang May 31, 2024. Yung link nasa description, no? Kung gusto nyo mag-book. Okay, unahin natin yung mga in a relationship na Scorpio. What is coming to you in your love life ngayong June 2024? The Ace of Pentacles. This is a new beginning. Maaring meron kayong papasuking business together ng iyong person. This is in preparation sa, kumbaga parang naghahanda kayo for your future, yung mga plans nyo together. Uy, the Empress. So, maaring meron ding pregnancy in this relationship. So, pwedeng ikaw to or the person that you're dealing with. Hierophant. Oh, okay. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring may plans na of settling down, getting married, living together. Especially kung meron ng involvement ng baby, no? Merong pregnant dito. The Hierophant is about commitment, being in a serious relationship. So, malakas yung energy ng Taurus. Maaring you are dealing with Taurus or an Aquarius. What is the Ace of Pentacles? Ace of Pentacles. The Six of Wands. Wow. So, this is success. Kung meron kayong susubukang, let's say, career, business together, especially, no, kung meron kayong mga plans for your future, you're going to be very successful in this new beginning. Maaring parang kasalan to, no? Or meron kayong celebration ngayong June. You have the 7 of Wands. I feel like there are some people na nangingialam sa relationship ninyo, or parang pwede rin namang not totally nangingialam, but they are nag-share sila ng ng opinion nila about your relationship with this person. But I feel like hindi mo sila pinapansin, iniiwasan mo na magpa-apekto ka sa kanila or magpa-influence ka. Let's see, what is the Empress? The 2 of Wands. Some of you pwedeng lalo na kung may nabuntis or may buntis na dito sa connection ninyo. Ngayong June, parang you are thinking, ano na yung next? Ano na yung plan after this? Although, I'm feeling some sort of fear or parang, alam mo yung fear of the unknown, ganyan. Pero, you are supported by your family. You are surrounded by people na who wants to celebrate life with you. Okay? Oo. Ito yung, meron dito, very specific. Pwedeng magpapakasal dahil nabuntis or buntis. Nabuntis or nakabuntis. Ganon. Oo. Maaring merong pumipigil, no? Kung ikaw tong buntis, pwedeng pinipigilan ka na magpakasal dahil lang buntis ka or nakabuntis ka. Ganon. But, I feel like you have a positive outlook in life pagdating sa relationship na to. So, celebration. Kung hindi naman to, kung wala namang buntis sa family, baka ngayong June pa lang siya mangyayari kasi nga, this is reading for June. But, this can also mean a new beginning, no? You're about to give birth to something like a new endeavor ninyo ng person mo. Oops, okay. Lumipad. Wait lang. Oh, ayun. Family. See, you are settling down. Having your own family. You may be dealing with a person na maputi. Or can be a foreigner. European, Western, yung descent. Oo. Passion. Yes. Passionate feelings for each other. O true love. O, diba? Sa relationship naman kasi, mas nagiging maayos yung connection ng mag-partner kapag hindi sila napapakialaman ng iba. Or, alam mo yun, may mga ganun kasi na may mga nakikialam. So, I think you are focused on building a strong foundation for your relationship dahil you love each other. Oh, lalo na yung iba sa inyo magkakaanak na. Tingnan natin. Feelings ng person mo towards you. We have a past life connection. Memories are surfacing either consciously or subconsciously. Oh, okay. Pwedeng, soulmate connection. Meron kayong past life energy. Kaya siguro, naging mabilis rin yung takbo ng relationship ninyo. Like, parang pwedeng hindi pa kayo masyadong matagal na magkakilala. Feeling nyo, kilala nyo na yung isa't isa. Feelings mo sa person mo. As you surrender your 3D expectations, I surrender to our 5D connection. Wow. I feel like both of you are spiritual, no? Or you have deep connection sa isa't isa. There's so much love in this relationship, no? Ganda. Kayo na, Scorpio. Let's see what else. Love is all around you. There is love everywhere all the time. Simply acknowledge this as truth. Wow. There are also people na supported ka, no? So, very supportive sa inyong relationship, sa inyong connection. So, I think you just have to focus on the people na sineselebrate kayo, the people na pinapahalagahan kayo doon sa mga taong very supportive of you. Okay? Para iwas na lang kayo sa katoksika ng iba. Okay? So, tingnan naman natin energies ng mga single. Okay? Single na Scorpio. So, if wala ka pang relationship ngayon, you are looking for a relationship, let's see if there is someone coming into your life ngayong June. Alam nyo, kahit single, hindi naman ibig sabihin nun naghahanap lagi, 'di ba? Anong energies for singles? Scorpio singles. King of Cups, Nine of Cups. Maaring this is your energy, Scorpio, King of Cups. Alam niyo, iba sa inyo masaya na kayo, no? Sa life ninyo. You have the Fool in reverse. I think at this point, if you're single, parang ayaw mo na mag-take ng risk pagdating sa relationship. Gusto mo muna na makilala ng lubusan ng isang tao to get into a relationship. Parang hindi ka naman nagmamadali. Three of Swords. Kaya siguro you don't wanna take risk because of your experiences in your past. Pwede kasing meron ditong nagpaasa sa inyo. You just wanna move on from that situation. Na parang enough na of disappointments pagdating sa relationship. So, I think magpo-focus ka sa mga bagay na magpapasaya sa'yo, sa sarili mo, sa mga tao sa paligid mo. And, pwede kasing in the past medyo naging irresponsible ka pagpasok sa relationship na parang, uy, kakakilala mo pa lang, okay, sige na, kayo na. And then eventually, hindi nagwo-work out yung relationship. So ngayon, you are not taking risk sa pagpasok sa relationship. Parang para sa'yo, gusto mo, parang, you want to take it easy. You just want to move on and move forward muna. Do something for someone. Give your attention to another. Oh, okay. So, kung you are still somehow trapped in your past situation, maaring it's time for you to let go of that and move on and move forward. Dahil you'll never know na maaring merong bagong person na dumating sa buhay mo or meron na talagang existing na may interest sa'yo pero hindi mo napapansin dahil nakafocus ka pa sa iba dun sa past. Okay, so it's time to move on, enjoy your life, connect with people, but of course, wag mo na mag-take ng risk sa relationship. Okay, as long as hindi ka pa ready. Okay, so that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. Bye.